Hi everyone, try to solve 2 and then inside parentheses 3 plus 3 divided by 2. Some people will start with 3 plus 3 inside the parentheses, which is 6. Drop the divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Keep the parentheses. Drop the 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. So the answer is 6. Or they'll multiply 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 2 times 3, which is 6 again, divided by 2 times 4, which is 4, and then 6 plus 6 is 12. Drop the divided by 4. So the answer is 12 divided by 4 is 3. So the answer must be 3. Both answers are wrong. Let me show you how to solve this math problem using PEMDAS. And PEMDAS does say to start with inside the parentheses, but the division has higher priority than addition, and according to PEMDAS. So what is 3 divided by 2? I don't know, so I'll write it in a fraction form, 3 over 2. Next, I'll drop the 3 plus, but in a fraction form, 3 over 1. Next, I'll use a different color for this one. 3 times 2, these are the butterfly wings, and 1 times 3, and these are the antennas. 3 times 2 is 6, 1 times 3 is 3, and then you add those two numbers, which gives you 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'll write 9, that's the numerator, over the denominator is the body, so 1 times 2 is 2. So now I have 9 over 2. Next, I drop this 2 and turn it into a fraction, 2 over 1 plus, no, times, oops, almost made a mistake, times. Because, if you're asking why, it's because this 9 over 2 is inside parentheses. 9 over 2 inside parentheses. And then you're multiplying this 2. So if I get rid of the division bar, or the fraction bar, I only have 2. And then you see you can multiply 2 times 9, which is 18, over, and you keep the denominator the same. And what is 18 divided by 2? 9. And 9 is your answer. And there you go.